Good evening, everyone. Here from the NC23 studios, we've got a winter weather alert for you across the viewing area. Let's start right now by talking about the winter storm warning, which is in effect for our entire viewing area. That started at 1 p.m. today and will last until 1 p.m. on Wednesday. Current temperature at Tuttle Middle School is 20 degrees, as well at the airport. Winds are blowing to the east at 4 miles per hour, and we have very heavy snow and freezing fog at the weather station out at the airport. Expect those temperatures to really stay level until later on tonight, when we will see temperatures fall to about 20 degrees, and that's where we're at now. But we'll see temperatures rise at 7, falling to 20 at about 7 in the morning. Now, we don't have a bus stop forecast for you today, but we will tell you if your kids are going to go to school tomorrow, which we anticipate plenty of closings and delays by morning. We will get that bus stop forecast up in a little bit. Let's take a live look at Precision 23 at the city view level. We are seeing those heavier pockets of snow over much of Indianapolis and Greencastle. Just saw a heavy pocket come up from Terre Haute, Rockville, and some more moderate snowfall. Everyone right now at the city view level, and moderate snowfall stretching from Crawfordsville up to Lafayette. More intense snow just over to the northwest, of Lebanon, Zionsville, and some of those heavier pockets. We take a look out onto State View. You can see some of the rain showers and icing down to the south, but we are seeing those heavier pockets of snow in Vincennes and Bloomington at this time. Springfield, Illinois, seeing heavier pocket right now. Regional view will show the edge of this system off to the east, or to the west and the east as well. That moisture down to the south is what we are going to be contending with throughout much of the evening into the overnight hours. Upper level low will move into the area. Let's take a look at the past few hours. You can see snow cover for all of our viewing area except for the farther south counties, where they're seeing some rain mixing in, as well as some freezing rain as well. Expect most of the area to see mostly snow showers out of this, but I'm not ruling out a trace amount really of icing is possible. Again, winter storm warning in effect for all of the viewing area. Heavy snow off to the north, still same system layout that we were expecting. Freezing rain into the midsections of the state and heavy rain to the south. Heavy snow, this is our system again. I do want to point out that there is another system right now that we're eyeballing for Saturday and into Sunday, and I really think this is just about the same track that this next system could take, which could bring the same snowfall amounts up. We have updated our snowcast for you. 8 to 13 inches is what we're thinking for the southern portions of Crawfordsville, stretching to Terre Haute, Indianapolis, and up toward Muncie and just to the north west of Richmond. Indianapolis is also included in that. Kokomo, Lafayette, Attica, mainly Crawfordsville, in the northern parts of Crawfordsville. Spencer in Richmond will see 7 to 11. Don't rule out that foot of snow, because I do think isolated places in that area will see a foot. 4 to 7 as you get out toward Rensselaer in the northwest side of Lafayette, as well as down to the south of Spencer, where that ice line sets up just to the south. You see that green line running across your screen there. 4 to 7 with a trace amount of ice from that point south. Now, when you get down there to the 2 to 4 inches of snow, expect 2/10 to a half inch of ice accumulating. This will be a messy commute for everyone tomorrow morning, as we are expecting the snow to stay in the area until about 11 a.m. That's when we expect flurries to overtake everyone, and that will be keeping a snow chance in for the entire day. Your local lows Wednesday morning wake up to 20 Crawfordsville and Attica, 19 Lafayette, 22 Indianapolis, 23 Spencer. Let's talk about Wednesday for your highs. Not moving much. 24 for the tri-state area, 22 Rensselaer, 26 Indianapolis. Local lows Thursday morning. Here come our negatives again. 5 below in Crawfordsville, 7 below Attica. Lafayette's at 6 below, 3 below Indianapolis, 9 below Rensselaer. Let's talk about your highs on Thursday. 8 for Crawfordsville and Attica, 7 Lafayette, 5 Rensselaer, 10 Indianapolis. Wind chill forecast will be the big story after the system moves out for Thursday morning. 20 below Crawfordsville, 27 below Lafayette, 35 below Rensselaer, 11 below in Spencer, as well as 15 below in Indianapolis. Let's talk about long-range snowcast. By Sunday night, we are expecting 4 to 7 inches. Now, those totals have came down a little bit as the model is tracking this system further to the south, and that could bring potentially 4 to 7 inches for the viewing area. Now, we will keep an eye on that for you, as we do expect that track to keep changing and shifting. bringing different snowfall amounts just about every time we run models. Let's take a look at your 7-day forecast. Winds will be the big factor on Thursday with a wind chill of negative 20 to 30 degrees throughout much of the day. Now windy, and that will cause blowing and drifting snow. Friday looks like mostly cloudy skies with a high of 13 after waking up to a brutal 10 below. Wind chills will also be a big factor Thursday night into Friday. Another southern system may be the factor next weekend. This coming weekend could drop another potential 4 to 7 inches right now. Winds move into the area Sunday into Monday. Mostly clear with before bringing a snow chance and brutally cold back into the forecast Sunday night into Monday and Tuesday night. Make sure to keep tuned here to News Center 23. I do want to point out before we leave you, here is the travel advisory map. Right now, the northern part of the state's in a travel watch. Our viewing area is in a travel advisory, and Montgomery County and Park counties are the exception to that, which are in a travel watch. I expect much of the state to be in a travel warning by tomorrow morning. As you can see, Clinton County there, they weren't in a travel advisory just a little while ago when we updated our blog. So there's a new one there added onto that list. We expect the state to be colorful tomorrow morning with lots of reds appearing everywhere, and where those heavier snow bands are expected, I'm expecting no school for most of the viewing area. Make sure to keep tuned to News Center 23 on our blog. The link, our new blog, the link will be provided in the description of this video, as well as on the website. There'll be a banner that you can click, and that will take you to the new blog, which will have live snowfall total updates, live closings and delays as we get them into our newsroom, as well as travel statuses for the counties and new snowfall projection maps as we get them in, as well as any other things we need to tell you about. Thank you for tuning into News Center 23 at 5. We're going to go ahead and leave you for now. Just make sure to stay tuned here as the night continues.